everyone, welcome to Wound Up Wednesdays, where we ask you, what's got you wound up? I'm Tino Amode, and today we have a letter from Jack, who's from Columbus, Ohio, and I'm really glad that we got this question from him because it's been something that's been bothering me for a while. Let me read it to you real quick. Dear personality-driven team, I am a small business owner and I do the majority of my business online. I have been using Facebook for a couple of years now to drive traffic to my website and also deal with customer service questions. Most of the time the comments are great, but once in a while I will get a negative comment. I have read many different things on how to handle a negative comment, but I am still unsure what way is the right way. Please help. Now, this morning when I was looking up different things about negative comments, I am still coming across where there's multiple ways of handling it. And in my mind, there's only one way to handle it. This morning, I think I read something about 5 different ways on handling a negative comment. And the most popular ways are either to ignore it, delete it, and block the user, or you can actually deal with it. Those are the 3 most popular ones, and I'm sure, Jack, that's what you've probably read as well. But there's only one way to deal with it, and to actually get you to understand how to deal with customers on your Facebook page, you have to pretend that they're actually in front of you, actually in person or actually right in your store. Social media is still relatively new, so I know a lot of companies are still trying to get their heads around it and understand exactly how they're supposed to, pretend to be there or pretend that, it's a personal interaction. So pretend that you're actually in front of them. So if you're in front of somebody, would you actually delete them and send them out of the store? So basically saying, I don't care, and then just be like, get out of my store. Of course not. So there's no way you would delete a comment and then block the user. It just doesn't make sense. Same situation if you were to ignore somebody. If somebody came in with a complaint right in your store, are you going to ignore them face to face? No, you wouldn't. Same thing with social networking. You shouldn't be ignoring them. So the only thing that you really should do is to deal with it. And the best way to deal with it is to publicly show that you have seen that they've seen their comments, so other customers can see that as well, but then handle it in a private matter. So let me give you an example. Let's say somebody goes ahead and puts a negative comment on your Facebook page. What you should respond with is, I'm sorry that you had that experience. Check out your messages. We just sent you a direct message. And then you can handle it offline. That way the back and forth, if there's any other negative interactions that happen, it's not going to be on the Facebook profile, but it's going to be on the, the messages, which is private. So don't listen to anybody else. I'm still confused on why other marketers are out there saying that there's other ways of handling it, like ignoring and deleting it, because that just sucks. That's the worst way of doing it. That's just a really shitty way of doing it. So what I think you should just focus on is dealing with it. And if you do that and you pretend the person's right in front of you, you'll have no problem doing social networking. So thank you very much, Jack, for sending us your question. And like always, if you have a question, just go to facebook.com/personalitydriven. Under the profile picture, you'll see submit questions, and you can ask those questions. And what we do is we take the best one every week and we answer it right here on Wound Up Wednesdays. So thank you for watching.